In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion sidebar. If you're new to Notion or just want to get faster at navigating your workspace, the sidebar is your command center. I'll walk you through how I organize it so everything important is exactly where I expect it to be. First, think of the sidebar as a living table of contents. You'll see sections for shared team spaces and your private area, and within those, the pages you access most. The order here matters because your eyes will naturally go top to bottom. To rearrange pages, simply click and drag any page up or down until you see a subtle line appear. That line shows exactly where the page will land. Release your mouse, and Notion instantly updates the order. This doesn't change the content of your pages, just how quickly you can get to them. Next, let's organize with subpages. When you have related pages, drag one slightly to the right under a parent page. Wait for the parent to highlight in blue, then drop it. You'll see the page indent beneath its parent. This nesting makes it easy to group projects, docs, or recurring notes. To keep things tidy, use the small toggle arrow next to the parent page to collapse or expand the list. Collapsing reduces visual clutter so you can focus, and expanding lets you dive in when you're ready. Now, for the pages you open all the time, add them to favorites so they're pinned at the very top of the sidebar. Right-click the page and choose Add to Favorites, or click the little star. Favorites follow you as you move around your workspace, so your go-to dashboards, meeting notes, or task lists stay one click away. If your favorite list starts getting long, prune it occasionally, so only your daily essentials live up there. When you need to create something new, you have two quick options. Click the plus icon next to any team space or your private section to add a page directly in that area. This is great when you already know where the page belongs. Or click the New Page button at the top of the sidebar, the pencil and paper icon, to start fresh and organize it afterward. Either way, you'll get a clean canvas ready for your content. That's the core of using the Notion sidebar. Reorder for speed, nest for structure, favorite for instant access, and create new pages exactly where you need them. If you found value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover our content. We're always looking to grow, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what worked for you or how we can level up. We read every single one, and your feedback shapes what we build next.